How to recover deleted photos in Android without any app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So it's really simple to recover your deleted photos. You can go to gallery and then go to menu icon on the bottom right, and you can see the trash option. Just tap on it and all your deleted photos and videos will be here until 30 days, and you can just long press on it and then tap on restore if you want to recover it. However, due to some reasons you cannot find your deleted photos and videos here, then don't worry, you can go to your My Files app. So open up your My Files and under Utilities, you'll find Trash. So here too, you'll be able to find all of your deleted photos and videos if you can't find it in your gallery. So you can just long press on it here as well and then tap on Restore. It's as simple as that, but make sure that you recover these items before 30 days. So that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.